Welcome to your ultimate pit stop, Piston Pundit. Today we're diving into the heated topic of EV fires. While EVs are known for their eco-friendly credentials, recent data paints a worrying picture of escalating fire incidents. Whether it's at charging stations, post-collision, or even while parked, EVs are igniting concerns, quite literally. Let's delve into 8 incidents that highlight this burning issue. Incident number 8, a family tragedy. Huawei electric vehicle collision. This incident is a heart-wrenching one. A family of 3 lost their lives when their Huawei-branded electric SUV, the iTow M7, caught fire after a collision. The family alleges that the vehicle's braking system failed to engage during the accident, and the doors refused to open, trapping the passengers inside. This tragic event has ignited a debate over EV safety. On April 26th, on a highway in Shanxi province, the iTow M7 collided with another vehicle. The driver, his 2-year-old nephew, and his brother-in-law were the unfortunate victims. The brother-in-law was ejected from the vehicle and died instantly, while the driver and the toddler were trapped inside due to malfunctioning doors. The driver's sister claimed that the car's automatic emergency braking and obstacle automatic control device failed to function during the accident, and the airbags didn't deploy. In response to these safety concerns, iTow stated that the vehicle's airbags and power battery pack were functioning normally at the time of the accident. The company is cooperating with the local transportation agency's investigation to determine the specific cause of the accident. Incident number 7. BYD showroom goes up in flames. Electric vehicles, despite their reputation for being fire-prone, statistically have 10 times fewer fires than combustion vehicles. Interestingly, hybrid cars are most likely to catch fire. BYD, Tesla's main competitor and a major lithium-ion battery manufacturer, has had numerous fire incidents, particularly in 2021 and 2022. A recent fire in a BYD showroom in Fuzhou, China, marked the 10th such incident since October 2021. The fire, which started from an EV parked inside the showroom, destroyed 7 vehicles and caused damages estimated at around 5 million yuan, approximately $692,600. Despite these setbacks, BYD continues to compete with Tesla for the title of the world's top EV manufacturer, with recent expansions into Mexico. However, it has no plans to enter the US market, especially in light of recent 100% tariffs. Incident number 6, Volvo C40 Recharge and electric SUV's fiery end. A Volvo C40 Recharge, an electric SUV priced at 6.3 million Indian rupees, approximately $75,500, recently caught fire on a highway in Chhattisgarh, India. The passengers, including the owner, escaped unharmed. The incident, captured on video, has raised concerns about the safety and reliability of electric vehicles. The cause of the fire is unknown, and Volvo has not issued a statement. The incident underscores the potential fire risks of EVs, mainly due to high-voltage lithium-ion batteries. Such fires, though rare, can be intense and difficult to extinguish. In India, concerns about EV fires are a significant barrier to green mobility. Before we delve deeper, do us a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. This helps us reach more auto enthusiasts just like you. Now let's shift gears and steer towards our next point. Incident number 5. Jaguar I-Pace, a fire magnet. Jaguar and Land Rover, infamous for low reliability ratings, have seen this trend continue with their electric vehicles, particularly the Jaguar I-Pace. The I-Pace has had multiple fire incidents, leading to a recall last year of over 6,400 US models for a battery fix due to potential lithium-ion battery thermal overload. However, the recall process was not entirely successful, leading to another recall of 200 units that missed a required software update. Interestingly, Jaguar advised owners to charge their I-Pace outdoors for 30 days post-update and added a function to limit battery charging to 75% if a problem is detected, prompting a dealer visit. Incident number 4, Volkswagen toll collision, a deadly incident. Despite lower quality standards, China's EV market demands high safety, EVs must remain safe for 30 minutes post-collision for evacuation before catching fire. However, some EVs already on sale in China fail to meet this standard. This was highlighted in a fatal incident last year when an electric Volkswagen crashed into a toll station on the Hangzhou highway. The vehicle caught fire instantly, leaving no time for passenger evacuation. Despite firefighters' prompt response, the vehicle was destroyed. This incident not only raised safety concerns, but also impacted Volkswagen's popularity in China, with sales reportedly dropping by 25%. As a reminder, Volkswagen currently offers 3 EV models in China: ID3, ID4, and ID6. Incident number 3, Kowloon Bay Charging Station, a fiery tale. Many EV fire incidents, caught on security cameras, have made their way to social media. One such incident occurred a few months ago at the Kowloon Bay Charging Station in Hong Kong, where a BYD EV, driven by a 53-year-old woman, suddenly caught fire. Luckily, she managed to escape unharmed. Incidents aren't limited to charging stations. EVs have been known to catch fire while stationary and unplugged. One such incident occurred at Hangzhou Auto City, where a displayed EV started smoking due to a minor battery design error. Despite firefighters' prompt response, the vehicle was completely destroyed by the fire. Incident number 2, Ford F-150 Lightning, a fiery surprise. Fire concerns with electric vehicles aren't exclusive to China, they're a global issue. America, despite its slower EV adoption, has had its share of incidents. Last year, an all-electric pickup truck caught fire right at the Dearborn plant parking lot before reaching its new owner. The fire, which also affected surrounding F-150 models, took hours to extinguish. Investigations revealed that the pickup wasn't plugged in, it was merely parked. Battery design flaws were identified as the cause, prompting Ford to halt production temporarily. But Ford wasn't alone. Chevrolet recalled over 100,000 vehicles due to similar fire concerns. Battery design flaws and issues with seatbelt pretensioners increased fire risks, leading GM to recall these EVs for fixes. They even advised Bolt owners to park their vehicles away from other cars and buildings. Incident number 1, repeated fires at GM EV plant, a call for change. General Motors Factory Zero, an electric vehicle plant, has been grappling with safety issues. Since last summer, there have been 8 incidents, many of them fires, prompting calls to the Detroit Fire Department. One significant incident was a 3-alarm fire that led to an evacuation and halted production of the GMC Hummer EV pickup and SUV, and Silverado EV work trucks. Detroit has been urging GM to invest in equipment to prevent or contain fires, often sparked by the lithium-ion battery cells used in the factory. GM has a basic evacuation plan in place and is considering investing in containers designed to contain and extinguish fires and monitoring systems. Monitoring blankets can alert if a battery cell's temperature is rising, allowing it to be cooled before it overheats or ignites. GM is also looking at investing in new safety equipment, and the United Auto Workers Union is pushing for improved safety measures at the plant. What makes EVs burn so badly? Electric vehicles are susceptible to fires due to various factors. Overheating can lead to thermal runaway, causing electrolytes in the battery to ignite. Potential short circuits, often resulting from damage to the battery's anode-cathode separator or physical damage to cells, can cause rapid temperature increases and ignition. Manufacturing defects and faulty components in the battery management system can also contribute to overheating. Despite these risks, EVs statistically catch fire less often than internal combustion cars. However, standard firefighting techniques are less effective on EV fires, and the risk of reignition is high. Thus, even though EV fires are rarer, they pose a significantly higher safety risk. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of EVs and their fiery incidents. Don't forget to subscribe to Piston Pundit, your ultimate pit stop for vehicle updates and upcoming videos. Drive safe, and see you next time.